Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's gonna be a Dior unboxing. I mean kind of, because I already like opened it because I couldn't wait. So anyways, this is the Dior and this is my first ever Dior. Okay, like I'm so excited. Anyways, this is part of my husband's gift, one of his gifts, and I'm thankful. Today's our anniversary as well, wedding anniversary. So yeah, thanks babe. This is the box look like. He ordered this I don't know when he ordered it, but he said he ordered it a couple weeks ago. The ribbon, it looks like this. It's just like basically just like a white ribbon. Anyways, so there's like a card. Let me just try to fix my light real quick. So there is this like little card attached to the box, so I couldn't really like take it out. If I do, hold on, let me just try to take it out. Alright, so this one right here, and this one says thank you for shopping. Says thank you for shopping at Dior.com. We hope you enjoy your purchase. Visit us again soon. That's the card look like. I don't know if you see. Yeah, there you go. And it also comes with I think this is the return form. Yeah, this is the return form, which is I'm not returning this time. Alright. It just comes with like this little tiny box and some tissue paper. So, okay. This is the box look like. Look how pretty the box is. It's so pretty. It's very nice and clean and unique. So let's just open this up, even if I already know what's inside. Okay. It is a choker from Dior. So this is like the tag. It says made in Germany. This is the Dior, Christian Dior chain choker right there, and I will just put the price somewhere in the screen, just because I didn't, like I said, I didn't purchase this. I think, if I remember, I think it's somewhere between $600 something for the price for this one, and it came with this little cushion. I think that's when you put like your you know, the jewelry. But and it also comes with this little bag, like a little like dust bag moment. And so this is, like I said, this is the Christian Dior choker, and I've been eyeing this choker. Like I've been eyeing this because I was planning to get this on like next month for Christmas, but my husband came through, so I am so thankful. You guys, look how pretty that is. Okay, it has a CD, which means like their initial, which is Christian Dior, and it is really heavy. First of all, this is heavy, and if you guys are interested on the measurements, I'll probably just put it here in this, somewhere in the screen, if you guys are interested. They do have the petite one, and that one is less than this one. This is like the chunky one that he chose, and this one right here also says Dior. I'm gonna probably take a picture of it, but that little detail is just really nice. Okay, so let me just try them on so you guys can see. Like you can, this is like adjustable. Okay, so you can like literally adjust it, but I can just I'm just gonna try to make it as a choker. Let me just try it on real quick, you guys. Look how pretty that looks on my neck. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So that's what it looks like on me. I cannot wait to like finally, you know, wear this if I'm going out. It looks so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is it. Look how cute that is. And make sure, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram, because I will post so much picture wearing this one, and Oh, I cannot wait. I just can't wait. Like, I cannot wait to post or create content. And also wearing this one, it's so freaking cute. But yeah, if you guys are interested on the details of this choker, then I will leave a link on my description box below, so just go ahead and click that if you guys are interested on this like choker. So yeah, that is for today's video. Like I said, I'm really thankful for my husband that he, you know, he got me one of this for our anniversary, and I also got him something, you know, something cute for my gift as well. So anyways, that is it for today's video, you guys. Like I said, please if you haven't watched my $100 giveaway, and if you want to win a $100 giveaway, I will leave the link here or in the description box below, so you guys can follow the instruction on how to win $100 US dollar. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.